Hey guys, welcome back once again. As you can see a program on your screen, you have to find output or error of this program. So start guessing. Your time start now. Okay guys, time up. So let me explain this program to you. So here I have one variable a which is initialized with value -5. Okay. In next line I have declared one more variable k and I am performing this operation. And finally I am printing the value of k. So let me execute this program. As you can see here, this is the value of k equal to -3, right? So how these things are happening here? So here for the first time what it's going to do, that the value of a is -5, so it will do post increment. So here it will be, it's going to be here 5 or -5, and it's got post increment, so value of a become now -4, right? And once again after this what we are doing, once again we are incrementing, right? And this value is going to change to -3, right? And this latest value is going to store into the variable k, right? So the value of the latest a is -3, so -3 will be stored in k. Okay, so that's why we are getting here -3. Okay guys, so the latest value means the control will come first here, after that here. So what is the value of here, that value will stored into k. Okay, so that's why we are getting -3 as a value. Okay, so okay guys, that's it for this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.